This is group 6, the muscles of the brachial region. And we're going to do both lateral and medial together here. On the lateral side, you can see 2 heads of the triceps muscle. This is the long head of the triceps muscle right here. And that actually wraps around to the medial side as well. And if we were in class, I would show you how, as you get older, if you don't keep this toned, this is pretty floppy, unfortunately. So triceps long. This is the lateral head of the triceps. That's what the red pin is in. And if you peek between the two of them, we can see kind of deep down in here the medial head. But we'll go on the other side, the medial side, to look at that and get a better view of it. If we kind of detach the lateral head a bit from the elbow region, you can see what's sometimes called the 4th head of the triceps. This is the anconeus muscle right in here. And that's what the black pin is in. And then finally we have the brachialis muscle here with the mint green pin in. So those are the lateral muscles of the brachial region. Now we're going to flip the leg over and look at the medial muscles.
The arm.
Yep. We have detached this muscle here. This is a very thin muscle called the epitrochlearis. This is not something that humans have, but both cats and rabbits have. So we detached it, so we can flip that back. And now, here was our triceps long head. We can get a better view of the medial head of the triceps. That's what the blue pin is in. And as you go in here, you'll see there's a bunch of nerves that are coming from what's called the brachial plexus up here, kind of in the armpit area. So it's kind of fun to look at these as you're peeking at that medial head of the triceps. And then here's the muscle everybody knows, the biceps brachii. You have to be sure you include the brachii part because there's also a biceps femoris. Let me get that blue pin out of the way there. So here's our biceps brachii right here. Okay, so to review, orange pin, biceps brachii. Blue pin, medial head of the triceps. Here's our long head of the triceps, and then reflected back is the epitrochlearis. Then back to the lateral side, here's our long head of the triceps again. This is the lateral head of the triceps muscle, the red pin. The anconeus, kind of wrapping around the back of the elbow. Let's see if I can get a better.
And when you move the arm, take a look at how it moves. So if you move it back and forth,
all right. So
you can kind of see it better.
Yeah, if we extend this arm, you can see that the triceps is contracting in order to accomplish that. Flexing the arm happens with our brachialis and our biceps muscle, biceps brachii over here. So triceps is an extensor, biceps muscles are flexors.